bake a cake, so we're just gonna use cake mix.
But Sprout, doesn't that defeat the entire purpose of the baking of cake?
You're really starting to piss me off. I have bull! It's gonna stop! I'm just gonna put this in it! I'm just gonna put it in this open I found!
The amount of time it takes to bake cake later.
Okay, it's finished!
And let's move!
It's all part of the magical baking combo! Anyways, I'm gonna put icing on it! Hey guys, have you seen my